Deepfake is a digitally created or altered video or audio recording that appears strikingly realistic, often depicting individuals saying or doing things they never actually did. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 deepfake video tools you can use in Instagram application. So, let's dive in.
Number 1. Vidnas.com.
Now all you have to do, guys, just go to vidnas.com and you'll find the link in description of this video. And from the navigation bar here, you want to go to their free AI tools and you just want to click face swap here. Now once you're in a face swap, you will see the photo face swap. And here in this channel, you can also find the photo face swap tutorial if you're interested to learn how this works. Our focus is on the video face swap right now. And all you have to do is just simply click the toggle between the two, which one you want. So I'm gonna just click on the video face swap. Here, guys, it's as easy as this. You need to upload a video, your base video, and it has a maximum of 200 megabytes. And here you can see that you need to upload M4V, MP4, MOV file. And you can drag it or you can simple upload it. Let's try this site with 2 different video. Number 1. Select the video and choose your image you want to swapping the face for the Instagram as a model. After that, click on generate and wait until progress finish. Number 2. Select the video and generate.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like
Y el cliente J contando billetes. Puchipete en la calle, estamos fuertes.
Number 2. Acool.com.
Our second tool is Acool Deepfake. Acool is the great of AI tools. Here you can swap faces in videos or images, create realistic AI avatars, generate text to images, and change image or video background. I will try the deepfake tools only. Come to the Tool tab from here, and then select Face Swap. To use this tool, first you need to create an account. Click on the Login button from here. Now create an account with your Google or email account. After creating the account, you will get 50 free credits every day. If you want to buy additional credits, then you can buy it from here. Alright, let's move forward to creating a deepfake video. First, you need to upload the target video. You can drag and drop the video clips here, or click here to upload the video. I will upload this video. Just click and select the video. It will take some time to analyze the video clips. Once it is completed, you can see the preview here. Now come to the right side. Here you can see this tool detected face in 3 angles. Your result might be different from mine, depending on how much motion your video has. Okay, now we have to upload the source image. You can use a sample image from here. I will use this image. After uploading your source image, just select the image in every face detection block. After all is done, scroll down and hit the High Quality Face Swap button. From here, AI has started its work. You can click on the Result button from here to see the result. It will take some time. Let's come back after a few times. And here it is, you can see the result.
Fuck me just like you wanted to. Should not have fallen in love with you. I have never seen a girl so cruel.
Number 3. Google Collab.
You can see Google Collab tutorial in my previous video.
Number 4. Reface.ai.
Reface AI is another AI tools. There are some incredible AI tools available here. You can swap faces, restyle images and videos, animated images with Reface AI. To start your deepfake journey with Reface AI, select the Swap Faces tool from here. Now we have to create an account to do this. Click on Sign In from here now. Create an account with your Google or Facebook account. After creating an account, click on Add Photo or Video from here. Now you can upload your target video by drag and drop. Here I will add the same video used in the first tool. After uploading the target video, come to the right side. Click on the Add Face. Now upload the source image. Here I will upload the same image. After that you can click on Swap Faces. To start the process, you will get 5 free credits upon creating a new account, and one face swap will cost 1 credit, which means you can create deepfake 5 times for free. Okay, click on Swap Faces to start the process. It may take some time. And here it is.
Fuck me just like you wanted to. Should know how to fall in love with you. I have never seen a girl so true.
Don't forget, like the video and subscribe my channel.